Seventh question. E plus B means E is the husband of B. E minus B means E is the daughter of B. E dollar B means E is the father of B. E hash B means E is the mother of B. If n plus D hash Z dollar B, then how is n related to B? So this signs doesn't have any significance in here. It's just symbols representing the relation between E and B. So here such a relation is given n plus D. So plus means n is the husband of D. So here n plus D means n is the husband of D. Then D hash Z. Hash means what? Hash means D is the mother of Z. So D is the mother of Z. Then Z dollar B. So that means Z is the father of B. So Z dollar B means Z is the father of B. So what can we get from these relations? So N is the husband of D. Then D is the mother of Z. Then Z is the father of B. So we know that N plus N and D is a couple, and Z is the son of N and D, and Z is also the father of B. So what is asked? We are asked the relation between N and D. How is N related to B? So N will be the paternal grandfather of B. So B is the grandson or grandchild of N, and N will be the paternal because Z is the father of B. So Z is male. So Z is male means what? It is the paternal from father's side. It is a paternal. N is the paternal grandfather of B. So option 1 will be the right answer. Now let's move to the next one. So eighth question. So in this question, 3 statements are given, followed by 2 conclusions numbered 1 and 2. Assuming the statements to be true, even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. So we should not think about the commonly known facts, we just should follow the statements that is given. So decide which of the conclusions logically follows or follow from the statements. Statements. First statement, some rings are fingers. Second statement, some fingers are toes. And third statement, no toe is an earring. And some conclusions are given. 2 conclusions, that is no earring is a ring, some toes are rings. So when such statement-wise questions are given, it is easy if we draw Venn diagram. Or just some representations for your understanding will be good. So first statement, it is some rings are fingers. So we can represent fingers in a circle and call the circle F as a area containing fingers. So some rings are fingers. That means some rings. There is another set with the rings, and some rings are fingers. So this area represents the rings which are fingers. Now, this can be either represented in this form or it can be represented as F as a subset of R. We can represent this in both forms. Now what? Now some fingers are toes. Some fingers are toes. So this can either come like this or toes. Some fingers are toes. Means it can also come as a subset of F. Now no toe is an earring. No toe is an earring. So earring is another subset. It can either come like this or it can come like this. We only know that no toe is an earring. So that's it. Now the conclusions are no earring is a ring. So no earring is a ring. We cannot say that fully because there are toes, fingers like that. Also I told you the another way that we can represent this E, that is with the ring. So we cannot say that no earring is a ring. Next statement is some toes are rings. Some toes are rings. Some toes are rings means some toes there is no way because some toes are rings. If we are representing in this way, that could happen. But here it is not happening. So this also we cannot say as sure. Okay, so neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. That would be the correct answer.